What are the minimum and maximum amounts of chlorine that you can have in a swimming pool? Like, you just want to learn about chlorine real quick. Give me the rundown. So here it is. The ideal recommended amount of chlorine in your pool is 2 to 5 parts per million. And the reason why it's 2 to 5 and not, let's say, 1 or 0.5 parts per million would only be because, like, that would be fine. It would still be totally safe. You could swim in water that has 1 part per million or half a part per million. What you don't have is a lot of buffer or room in between when you have some chlorine and when you have none. Having none, having zero chlorine in your pool is a like defining thing. Don't do that. Never have zero. When you have zero, you don't actually have zero. You have some negative number of chlorine essentially because there's bacteria growing and organic debris that's able to start growing because you don't have the sanitizer, the chlorine in the water to actively kill that process from happening. So while 1 part per million might be enough from like a technical or chemical perspective, it's not enough to account for a little bit of rain or 4 people that went swimming. Like, those things are going to deplete 1 part per million of chlorine in your pool, probably depending on the size of your pool. And so we say 2 to 5 parts per million. And so what's the upper range here? 5 parts per million. If it was 6, does that mean I shouldn't go swimming? Well, I can only speak for me, and what I do is anything up to 10 parts per million of free chlorine, I'm good to go swimming with that. I'm probably not going to open my eyes underwater if it's 8 parts per million free chlorine, because that's a lot of free chlorine, and I wouldn't go swimming if that chlorine had been added recently. But if it wasn't added recently and it was under 10 parts per million, I'd go swimming, but I would recommend 2 to 5 parts per million. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.